Welcome back to Successful channel. Today I'm going to explain about Python programs. That is the pattern program. This is the most important program for a fresher or any interview for that purpose. So first I need to write print stars. Star 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5 star. This is the star pattern method. So now I'm going to write a program for I in range 5. So 5 means before only I told 5 number of 5 stars I wrote now, that's why I took here 5. Suppose you write to 10, otherwise you can write here 10, or you can initialize n equal to int input and enter the values. So you can write here n also as your wish. If you assign n or otherwise 5 also, it's okay. It's then 5 means 0 1 2 3 4, that is total number of 5s. So second step is for j in range I plus 1. Why? Because here I took now 5 numbers, so I plus 1 every time it iterates, like so initially I plus 1. So initially what is that? But here we need to add every time 1, because I took I plus 1, this is condition. So initially I equal to 0 na, so 0 plus 1 means 1. So so this one will store first star value. So again I have to check condition I plus 1. So here second condition is I means here 1 na, so 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this 2 will store 2 stars. Again it's going like this only. 2 second I need to take this second I equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3, and again third value is stored. 3 stars will stored 1 2 3 now, like this. Again 3 plus 1 equal to 4, again 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So last one 5 stars will store. So like this it will stored, it will analysis like this. So next point is I need to write a print star. So because why I took this star, because I explaining about the star pattern. If you write any other like 1 2 3 like this, you can take that numbers. So then if you only write this star only, it print like this. Serial wise it will print serial wise print. For this because we need all stars should print in same way, see same line na. For that purpose I need to write end equal to double quotation mark. So for this purpose we wrote this one, then we wrote this one, then it for stored like this in pattern wise. So then print. For this print, why I need to write means every iteration you have to print a new line. For that purpose we need to write this print function. So this is the pattern function. Okay guys, so just nothing that much headache. Just for I in range 5 0 1 2 3 4, for j in range I plus 1, print star and equal to double quotation mark. For this you know that print. So this is the pattern function. If you like this video, please subscribe and share Successful channel and support. Thank you.